Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Bharat, and in this series I'll be taking you through the world of databases and data analysis, starting from the basics and eventually diving deep into the real world projects using SQL. In this video, we're starting from the foundation, understanding what databases are, what DBMS is, and relational and non-relational DBMS, and how SQL fits into all of this. Let's begin with the most fundamental question. What is a database? A database is a collection of organized data that can be accessed, managed, and updated. Imagine a digital filing cabinet. It stores information like customer details, sales records, product inventories, etc. Now, to manage these databases, we need something called a database management system or DBMS. A DBMS is a software that helps us store data, retrieve it efficiently, update or delete it when needed, ensure data security and consistency. Examples of DBMS include Microsoft Access, Oracle DB, and even MongoDB for non-relational data. Next comes Relational Database Management Systems or RDBMS. This is the most widely used type of DBMS. An RDBMS stores data in tables just like an Excel sheet with rows and columns. Each table can be linked to another using relationships, which is why it's called relational. Examples of RDBMS include MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, SQLite. These are the systems we most commonly use in data science and analytics. Okay, so now where does SQL come in? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is the language we use to communicate with relational databases. With SQL, we can create tables, insert data, retrieve, update, delete, and even control permissions and design schemas. In short, SQL allows to manage and manipulate the data stored in RDBMS platforms. SQL is literally everywhere. Here are a few common use cases. Businesses use SQL to generate sales reports. HR teams use it to track employee data. Marketing analysts use it to track campaign performance. Data scientists and engineers use it for data cleaning and analysis before applying machine learning. If you are working with data, chances are you're going to need SQL for sure. So, to summarize, databases store data, DBMS helps manage it, RDBMS stores data in table form with relationships, and SQL is a language that lets us interact with systems. In upcoming videos, I'll walk you through SQL hands-on, from writing simple queries to building field projects and dashboards. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're excited to learn more about SQL and data science. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.